what's the name of your two stars from the Kiss Cam?
Andy Byron and
Andy
Kristen
is now in
Kapoor.
Thailand. Bro, can you imagine now if somebody says to the wife or the spouse says to the other spouse, bro, Chris Martin's in town.
Bumrah is, again, tall dude, great ass.
What?
He has a great ass.
You're cheating on your wife with Bumrah?
Bumrah has an amazing ass. Does he not?
What do you think? The males and females will reacted differently, right? So when he goes back to his, gym or whatever, the
Like,
boys...
bro, what are you saying? Dude, all this time,
Yeah.
what an actor,
Rascal.
bro. What an actor.
Bumrah! Podcast time, and we've got Silvery back.
The prodigal son
Wait, I'm playing
has
music.
returned.
There will be music in the background.
Oh,
for
there
your
will be?
entry. Yeah. So I'll do
sad music.
whatever you like.
Somber,
Say fast
sad.
because I'm not going to do it again, and then the music will play.
Okay, so very extremely sad music playing.
Shehnai.
Shehnai,
Like
Shadi
death.
ki, death Shehnai, yes,
Okay.
correct.
And we have Silvery back.
Hi, Cyrus.
Wait, I'm enjoying the music.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You just died, bro. Come on, give me 2 minutes.
Oh, I thought you were... Okay.
People are all smiling. What kind of culture are we here, really?
Yeah, really.
It's a bad joke. It's
Yeah.
not even nice. It's
Correct.
almost evil. And they're all laughing and feeling
Yeah,
happy.
laughing at my death.
Your
At
death.
my death?
What's funny about that?
Yeah, man, really.
A guy who gave his life for the country.
Yeah,
For
and-
Powai.
Yeah, for this country and this podcast for a period of about 2 years.
Yeah, but you weren't that interested in it.
Yeah,
You
no, no.
came when you felt like.
Dude, this has gone way up. What is all this?
Okay, it's called. So what happens? Amit inherited a lot of money.
Oh, okay.
Somebody
Yeah.
left him,
And then
so
he lost it all.
He bought a
Okay,
TV.
he bought one
Yeah,
TV.
yeah.
One TV he could afford.
Fair, yeah. You
Thanks.
got to throw the wealth around, bro. So this is it.
Thanks, Amit. This is great.
But talk about a narcissistic show.
Yeah.
You're sitting there, your own name, and you're
Yes.
pointing to it all the time.
Yes, yes.
So none of this is my idea. So let me be honest.
Dude,
Yeah.
somebody, one of the employees who currently works here has sent me a photo of, there was a point in correct me if I'm wrong, there's a point in the, since you've been using the studio, there was a TV here, there were 2 other computer screens and one more thing, and there's like a Cyrus size cup here, like around mic flag, and some more like extra branding ho raha tha. Am I right in saying this?
Yeah.
There were like 8 Cyrus says.
We
which
did
is like
that, but
overkill.
Amitabh Bachchan said it was too much,
Yeah.
so we stopped immediately.
Okay, so
Said,
now-
"Don't
now
overbrand."
it's just 3.
But if we do get a sponsor, it's only been 10 years. If we do get a sponsor, where will we put him? He will say, "So I can't. That space is gone. That space is gone. This
Yeah,
space
yeah.
is gone. This space is gone.
Yeah.
What are you going to do?" Yeah.
On the forehead, I think next. That's all. Yeah.
Well, forehead, there are the body
Foreskin.
parts.
All the
not
folds.
always visible, but we'll see how it
Yes.
goes.
Sure,
but
man.
before I forget, I want to just tell you the main thing.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you'll be able to cope. I'll be honest.
Okay.
I mean, you're young, but I feel that, you're not a tech guy.
Okay.
And we are not tech.
Okay.
I mean, we are TEC Tech.
Tech,
Okay,
full
we are
tech.
TECK, whatever,
Yeah,
however
yeah.
you spell it.
Yeah.
We have a TV, as we mentioned, a screen.
Yes.
We have a guy, Vishnu,
Yeah.
who, let me tell you, is not only the producer, he's also an engineer. He can
Yeah.
also park cars.
Correct, yes,
So this
very-
is not one joke.
Yeah.
He has devised software
Yes.
where he's sitting comfortably.
Amazing.
Just by the pressing of a button,
Yeah.
the screen explodes.
Yeah, it's amazing.
And
Oh,
on
it explodes.
The, yeah, it explodes.
What?
And on the screen, by explode, I mean writing comes.
Oh.
Authentic questions and emails that you always
I
asked us.
like that Cyrus is so backward technologically. He thinks text appearing on screen is the screen exploding. He's like, "Arey screen ko kya ho gaya?"
That's phrasing, man.
Yeah.
That's how a poet,
Yes.
uses poetry to lift up the masses.
Great.
And so
nice.
that's what's
I
going
like
to happen here. So what I'm trying to say is there's no pressure on you.
Yeah.
You've done, those of you who've known Silvery and those who don't, please check the old shows. He's famous for spending 40 minutes over one question, just telling us the question.
And the
Because he
location.
can't understand what the question is.
Yeah.
And the geography of the question is a
course.
problem. And the names.
Of course.
Even Punjabi names, Mumbai names,
Yeah,
all
yeah.
go above his head.
Of
So
course.
don't even, if you go down south or east or whatever, it's like impossible.
100%.
We have taken that power away from you.
It's
Because you
no
killed
longer.
many a show.
Oh, I got it.
We're still on question 1.
Yes,
Break.
that's true.
It's
That's
like
true.
that.
That's true.
That's gone because
Yeah.
you just have to read it from here collectively and then
Okay.
decide what to do. What do you think?
I think you've gone up, guys. This is amazing. This is
What
very
money
cool.
can do. Money
Yeah.
can corrupt, bro. I
What
hope
one
it doesn't
person's
go to our head.
inheritance, what
Yeah.
one person's inheritance
Yeah.
can buy is
Yeah.
amazing.
Well, the other
Nice.
stuff is borrowed, like Kota Janata Party, we
Oh,
just
okay,
found
nice.
that,
Nice.
it's many schools
Nice.
have it. So,
I like that poster a lot. Here's a quick Kunal story.
That's the man who
Yeah.
Milind Soman was Model of the Year 91, and 92 was Arjun Rampal, 93 was Dino Moria, and 94 was this guy. Kunal
Oh wow,
Vijay.
he's younger than me, dude. That's
Yeah, he's
amazing.
much younger
Yeah,
than
yeah, very cool.
And also, we can't show him because of contractual issues
Okay.
below the neck.
Below the neck. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
only
So it's,
only the neck
And
and
the 4 chins and then the face. That's all we can show.
great, man.
But before we start the formal show with Vishnu and look at the AMAs,
Yeah.
is there anything you want to tell us about your show's booming?
My show is doing well.
The show
yes.
which I'm not saying was here.
No, it's
but
a different iteration
it's
of the show. It's a
different-
live setting.
Yeah.
It's called That Filmy Game Show. Yeah,
upon
there
a
was
time.
once a show called Just a Filmy Game Show.
Yeah.
And then I removed the Just, and
Yeah.
we
And
became
that's a whole
that.
new show.
That was that
The
Filmy
whole
Game Show.
new show.
Yes, absolutely.
I bought it.
Yes, correct.
It's called the AMAs.
Yes,
With
let's-
tech, where we had this
With tech,
television.
yes.
Television.
Yes.
And Vishnu, our electronic engineer who gave up, he was at which company? Wipro. He was with Wipro.
Oh wow,
A huge 7-figure job.
wow, and he gave that
One
up to
scandal.
Oh, he also got caught kiss
Yeah.
scam.
Yeah.
Is that what happened?
Yeah. Shh. I
Oh,
don't want to
shit.
mention because there's
Oh.
all legal implications.
Oh, shit.
And so now he has to work here
Oh,
incognito and holds the remote like an old auntie and go ting, ting. That's all he does for days. Okay, bro, ting us to the first AMA.
Ting.
Ting.
Yeah, nice. Astronomer CEO and HR chief caught cuddling on
Stop
Coldplay kiss
smiling and
scam.
enjoying somebody's unhappy story.
Dude, this is
Look at your face. You're
this
so
is-
happy.
I
that they
think
got
this
caught.
is the best story that has come about in the last 10 years.
Read it once, no?
I'll read again. Astronomer CEO and HR chief caught cuddling on Coldplay kiss scam, hilarious, sparking viral scandal, deleting LinkedIn's and cosmic levels of corporate chaos. Where do we draw the line between work-life balance and work-wife balance?
Every time he tells, I was trying to tell my mom this story, and the whole thing is, for some reason, people think that Coldplay has got some role to play in this
But they
cheating.
do.
Why? How?
See,
the
first-
kiss scam.
No,
But
that and then the guy after those guys ducked.
Yeah.
Chris Martin is the name. Chris Martin also said, "Oh, either these guys are cheating or they're just really shy." He said this.
But it's a fair comment. You're in
Absolutely.
public, so he's just taking a. Come on, you're not supposed to.
Absolutely. What else was you saying?
Infidelity is your choice. You
Correct.
can't blame it on other people.
100%.
Yeah.
But that did happen at a Coldplay concert is so much bigger than it just happened randomly, right? But have you talked about the story before this?
I have, but to the rickshawala. I'm not quite on the podcast. No, but what happened is that she went on Facebook, the missus,
Yeah,
the
correct.
agreed missus,
Yeah.
and then obviously LinkedIn, and you're looking for jobs.
So
because
basically, both of these people are
Yeah.
married beforehand.
yeah.
Okay.
No, they're
Yeah.
happily
Happy-
married
Correct.
with kids and stuff.
Correct.
Yeah.
And happily with work-life balance also, they're doing
Yeah,
a very good
everything.
things.
They were the perfect,
They're happy, yes.
the perfect employee
Correct.
and the perfect.
If not for
spouse.
Coldplay, damn it, Chris Martin, damn it.
Really, Chris, you know,
he fucked it up.
Yo-Yo.
He fucked it. Yeah,
Yo-Yo
dude.
would never
yes,
do
no,
so.
Yo-Yo would never
Stop
do.
reminding us. Coldplay, you went too far.
Oh, no,
you went
sorry.
too far,
Yeah.
Martin.
So basically, just to cut a long story short, basically, yes, this shit happened where at a Coldplay concert, the kiss cam was shown on these two people.
we can't show it, right? We can't show it.
We have a version of it to show you that we'll come to. Yes, we should
That's
hug.
it.
We should actually be hugging.
Ah, so sweet. Yeah. So this is, I think, Kunal Vijayekar.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that must be the Himmat from IBM.
No,
right?
that's the CEO, Andy Byron,
Oh.
and then Kunal also. there.
Andy Byron.
Yes.
Okay, fair enough. You know his name? You know the guy's names?
Andy Byron and Kristen Capot.
Wow,
Kaput.
what kind of low, petty bastard are you
for
that
the
you know the name of a couple cheating in
You know,
Las Vegas?
for the sake of this podcast, I
Okay.
memorize these names.
Who bats at number 4 for India?
Sachin Tendulkar, dude.
And he knows the name
Yeah.
of that bloody guy cheating with some. Oh,
Shuman Gill.
very good.
Am I right?
Who told
That's insane, dude.
Who told
No,
him?
nobody told me.
You're right,
Yeah,
Paji.
brother, bro. What a
Paji.
guess, bro.
You're right.
That's
You're right.
next level. I think I'm out of here, dude.
But let's say one comment about that. We're both married now, not to each other. Is that if you want to cheat, I mean, it's whatever, it's between the
Yeah.
couple. But why are you doing it in a public place? Because then the humiliation just gets, compounded out of control. Like,
Man,
I was
so
thinking,
there's
all
multiple
the
things.
countries of the world has
Correct.
seen it. Somebody in Mandarin is discussing, in Greek they're discussing, in
Can I-
Konkani they're discussing it. Can you
Yeah,
imagine?
correct. Dude, can you imagine his actual wife was like, hey, can we go to a Coldplay concert? He's like, no.
Oh, man.
No, sorry. We have I actually have planned a corporate retreat to this Coldplay concert.
Or she would have told him, I told you, let's go for a Yo-Yo Honey Singh
Yo-Yo Honey Singh concert,
Let's
yeah.
try this
Damn
out.
it. Yeah.
He had to
Again,
go
the
and do
fault
that.
lies with the man.
But why would they kiss in public?
They were cuddling.
No. They were kissing before that.
Were they kissing?
It's called a kiss cam. So it comes
No,
on you when you're-
they when it comes to you, you're
Yeah.
supposed to kiss.
Yeah.
So that's what they
Correct,
show you.
correct.
Yeah. So they weren't kissing yet.
Okay. But he was holding
he was
her
cuddling.
chest.
No, he was hugging her from behind, bro. What is? You know,
Wait,
hug someone or?
1 minute. Let's reenact the scene. Okay. I'm him. The mic is her. when you hug from behind, you're holding on to something, right?
I mean, yeah, like that.
Yeah.
But it's not like he's fondling
But
her
this is not
chest
the
from
way a
behind.
brother and sister hug na Gandu. Soch ke bolo banchot.
So then basically, they got caught. Now their families also find out, and the whole world does. Okay. Firstly, can you imagine the what the children have to go through?
In 5 seconds, it's viral. Baba, I mean, this is the best.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to say nuclear war, starting run, guys,
Yes.
this is the way to do it.
Correct.
Boom, it went across. Indians knew before Americans. It was that fast.
That is
because we are always on our
yes,
phone.
correct.
Man. We always,
And we love cheating. Bollywood has taught us anything.
Hey, you're a cheater. You're a cheater, not like me.
But man, one of the funniest posts I saw about this was
You got a silsila recall on this.
Yes,
yeah. What a guy. What an amazing man.
one of the funniest posts I saw about this was LinkedIn Pay.
Yeah.
When you are
I think they mentioned, that's why they mentioned
when you're open. When you're looking for work, no,
Yeah.
you have a tag called open to work.
Yeah.
So people use these guys a photo and it says open to work under
Yeah,
that
yeah.
because these guys immediately got fired.
The thing is that head of HR is head of the company.
Yeah, head of the CEO.
I mean,
Yeah.
you're the zenith of
Correct.
corporate life. Where do you go
Dude,
from here?
yeah, also,
because
yeah.
you're so recognizable in corporate world, they all know you now. So any company you go to,
Correct.
they'll be like either this or like, no, bro. Yeah.
Dude, can we look at all these companies have Glassdoor reviews? I
Yeah.
wonder what the Glassdoor reviews are, employee reviews.
Yeah.
Okay, oh yeah, I love seeing my CEO and
Forget
HR
that. Imagine
having a good
HR.
time.
Yeah, no, but HR is the
Who do you
person
complain
does-
to? Yeah, correct.
And they
Yeah.
do the review,
Posh.
they do
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
they have to look inside.
Yeah, she have to
She writes to
disclose.
herself.
She discloses it to herself. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, okay.
In a mirror.
We are
Hey.
such bitches.
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
Baba?
Andy
It's
Byron.
unbelievable. You know the name. Say the names
Correct.
again.
Andy Byron and Kristen Capot.
This is a lesson in pop culture, up to the 80s and 90s, you had to be really
Yeah.
famous.
Yeah.
I mean, because of Kiss and cheating,
Yeah.
this is the
It's-
biggest names in the world. What
Hilarious.
would happen in India? Because in India, I think as hypocrites go, we are at the top level.
Yeah, correct.
Right?
Yeah.
So it'll be like if some fancy couple and then they're cheating on their
Who
all,
do you
all
think?
famous people.
Who do you think if
Oh,
we
be
caught? That'd be
careful.
hilarious.
That'd
dude.
be great.
Man.
We don't have the legal team for this one. Hey, doctor, dusra dal de.
Okay, fun.
Who would you choose in your bowling lineup in the death over Stark or Bumrah? They purposely,
ask-
knowing
yes,
you were
ask-
coming,
yes,
they
correct.
purposely decided to give a cricket question.
So I'll
I'm
tell you.
gonna-
Can I
Yeah.
tell you what I know
Yeah.
about Stark and Bumrah because this will be very interesting to your audience.
Yeah.
Stark is more the stoic but fucking awesome pace bowler.
He's not
Okay.
stoic, but he's not a very loud guy, yeah?
Yeah, but he's also doesn't he do a lot of sledging? Isn't he known for
He's
sledging?
an Aussie. There's a little sledging, but he's
Right?
not known for sledging.
Yeah.
He's more of a quiet fellow, yeah.
Okay, and Bumrah is again tall dude, great ass.
What?
He has a great ass.
You're cheating on your wife with Bumrah?
Bumrah has an amazing ass. Does he not? Didn't his ass go viral a few months back? Wasn't that a thing?
I want to hold you tight.
What?
You're getting after me for
I'm not
doing the
Bumrah,
hug.
bro. Why are
I'm
you
doing
talking?
the hug, and you've suddenly gone berserk
Yeah.
about the world's greatest bowler's ass.
Ass. Yeah, dude. That's how he.
Brother, are you
that's-
running a temperature?
Dude, the better the ass you have, the better the bowler you are.
True. The
Yes.
glutes play a very important role
Yeah.
in many things. Where
Sure it is, dude.
when you're making a baby, you'll find out.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you.
I don't have the glutes for that right now. Yes.
You have to ask
Yes.
Bumrah to help them.
Correct. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
Tap
You
Bumrah
have to
in.
outsource.
Bumrah.
You have to bring him
Yes.
in first change.
Yeah. Oh, is that the lineup they're talking about? Okay.
Yeah.
But I have no
Okay,
idea.
so in your bowling lineup in the death overs, what they're saying is the death overs in a limited over match. For the last few overs, the most difficult for the bowlers. Generally, the batsmen are going hell for leather and going berserk.
Sure.
So Stark has a slightly more famous Yorker, although Bumrah's Yorkers are as well known. So basically, the ones who have good Yorkers are generally the ones you go for. So
Okay.
who would you go for? It's almost neck and neck when it
And
comes to Yorker bowling.
Keep it brown, man. Bumrah. Yeah.
Absolutely right, because Bumrah's record is on another level at the
Yeah,
moment.
for sure.
Yeah,
Isn't he
he's-
called the
he's-
toe crusher or something?
He's Punjabi by nature, beta.
Hey, nice. I like it. Isn't he called the toe crusher because his Yorkers are that good?
Many people have been called a toe crusher.
Oh, is
Stop
it?
acting like you know cricket
Man,
because
I heard
you
this
have a
term
friend called
today.
Shamik and suddenly
it's all good.
known for his ass. Now I've spent 3 days.
Yeah.
And the match is starting in a couple of days. I won't be able to look at this guy anymore. I mean, every time he turns the ball, I'll be like,
Dude, he has an amazing butt. It's
Stop
so
it!
well shaped and round.
Stop it.
It's perfect. Two half
Stop it.
moons. It's perfect, dude.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Harpoons?
Half moons.
Half moons.
Harpoon is in front. that's between the moons.
And if there were two,
Yes,
then,
yes,
I mean,
That's a
the
problem.
CEO would really
That's
have a problem.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
Let's see what we have. Is there a polite way to tell relatives their forwards are fake or should we just block? Again, they knew I was coming along
So
and
that's
they,
an oldie thing.
yeah, my dad is extremely right wing and he keeps sending me links.
No, but it's not about
repeatedly.
what they're sending. It's the thing that they keep sending, the
Yeah, yeah,
forwards.
correct.
Right? But whatever. Everybody's got their own reasons
Yeah.
to send whatever. I've got a lot of people, sadly, as I age, my friends are older. I mean, the good thing is that I'll outlive them. But the thing is, it is irritating because the same style. Like you're saying, your dad's right wing, so that shit comes.
Yeah, correct.
I got another guy who's always very religious. He's not right or left, but he's just religious. So everything
Oh,
is
got it.
you know,
Yeah.
religious intonation
Yeah.
all day, and then you feel maybe I have to reply the same way. No, you don't want to offend people.
Correct.
What a country this is.
Dude, my dad's older brother, Tayaji, okay, every morning will start with like a long mantra that he sends, okay, every single morning, like a different mantra. And he expects everyone to read it. And nobody does. And nobody replies ki like, oh, thumbs up, oh, good
Oh,
one.
it's on the family chat.
Yeah, dude.
So nobody replies.
Nobody replies. I mean, we've grown tired of it replying. How many?
Why
how
don't you
often?
break the suspense and just send your thoughts on Bumrah's ass?
Oh, that would be awesome.
I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah.
that would just change the whole
He-
game.
Everyone would
altogether.
appreciate
He'll
that.
go
yeah.
from whatever his high
Correct.
thoughts are
Yeah,
to
correct,
you got a
correct.
point there, beta.
Yes.
When I look at him coming into
Yes.
bowl, I do.
So my Taji sends a mantra. I send Bumrah's ass back
Yeah.
because it's a God-given ass.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
And a gift to the country. It's
Yes,
spiritual.
100%, dude. Yeah,
And
correct.
without that, he wouldn't be who he is. And without him, we won't be a team that we are.
Correct.
So, very good point.
Yeah. So Bumrah's ass and
Yeah.
Starks.
I don't know him that well.
Okay, you don't.
हाथ तो मिला बाकी तो कुछ नहीं. I can't really comment on every shoulder this that as you go down the level.
Yeah.
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 Huh.
Sorry, what was the question? What were we discussing?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't matter?
Now that you've already done homework and still
Yeah.
won't remember your answer.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, how can you be so unprofessional?
But is
the only
there
thing you remember
yeah.
was your court case.
Yes, correct. I was very passionate about that. Is there a polite way to tell someone?
Yeah. No, but you
That's
answered. Y'all just don't. And in the
Don't.
family chat, you
Yeah.
sort of just don't. I
Correct.
think everybody waits for somebody else to,
Yeah.
take this forward.
Oh, by the way, I have tried this also. You know, like again, I have multiple relatives who are right wing, but my dad especially so, and he will send links to all his fucking right wing news channels and all news, whatever WhatsApp forward that he gets.
Pushing the agenda.
Correct, 100%. Okay, and all that same talking point that you've already heard on the news. Same, so you know where you're getting news from. The thing is, if you ever send a link back, you know, like on the other side or the
Contrary,
opposite side,
contrary,
yeah,
huh.
yeah, he'll think that is fake news.
Ah.
And that becomes the whole dilemma again. Like,
But
oh,
have you
how
ever
do you prove
taken your
that?
dad on in a conversation at home?
Dude, every dinner is that only.
What does
dude.
your wife say?
She just keep quiet. Let's not have these discussions
Yeah.
at the dinner table, which is again fair. Political opinions
So,
can.
so your
always
mom and your
differ.
wife play referee,
My-
and you guys have arguments.
Yeah. I mean, I love my dad, but yeah, that's what it is.
How does it end?
Dad pissed, and me like, okay, I guess this is what it is.
Pissed as in.
Oh no, he doesn't drink anymore.
Oh.
But he's pissed
Like,
at me.
Beta,
He's
kill
angry.
everybody in the country.
No.
Beta, only keep one type. Beta. What's your wife's name?
My dad wrote a book, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, it's called Things I Should Have Told My Son.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't talk to me. वैसे.
Oh, how sad.
No,
It's a lovely book.
Lovely
Yeah,
book.
yeah. All right, quickly, we'll
go.
take one more before the break. Yeah.
Should India adopt a more flexible team selection strategy when playing
You
overseas?
guys went after him for cricket.
What is this? Especially in conditions like England where pace and swing dominate.
Yeah, but as you and I both know, this
Yeah.
particular series, pace and swing, is not dominated in that. I mean, they got the wickets, but it's not like difficult batting conditions for the most part. So I think we've had an almost Indian summer in England, and it's all favoured us. If we don't win this one, we probably won't get this kind of luck
have
the next
two
time.
tests
It's very
left,
hot.
right?
It's very hot conditions.
Yeah,
it's like
correct.
Mumbai
Yeah.
or our part of India. And then secondly, more importantly, they're using this Duke's ball, which is not doing much and just gets damaged very quickly.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So
Like
the
a news-
batsmen have dominated from both
okay.
sides.
Oh yeah,
So,
correct.
yeah, it's been a
That's how
little-
Shubman got like multiple centuries.
He
or
made
something?
10,000 runs in 3 tests. It's ridiculous.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Is that unheard of?
It is. He's almost on par with Bradman.
Wow.
Bradman is a Powai resident.
Oh,
Yeah,
amazing.
also
Nice.
right wing. But to cut a long story short, I don't think we have a problem with the team. It's a really close game, a close series.
Yeah, sure.
And I don't think it'll make that much of a difference here. One man here or there if you change. End of the day, this team should win, could win, and if it doesn't win, I mean, you had the team to do it. It's not about the personnel.
Okay.
I would blame the food. Because Indians don't like Indian food in England that much because it's all watered down, the masalas are less, and these little things can really get to you. With the levels of comfort down there, the person can't perform. I mean, answer the question. I don't know why they give
Kind
you
of.
all these cricket
It is-
questions.
it's
It's out of
insane.
kunness. Absolute
Yeah.
kunness. Unnecessary.
Oh, that's okay.
I think we should take a break now, young man, because it's 29 minutes into the show.
29 minutes. This
Yeah.
is an early break.
So,
right?
no, we have 58 minutes
Okay.
is our plan because 2 minutes is sponsor
Okay.
requests and all
Got
that.
it. Yeah. But right now we'll hear Amit's voice, is it?
No, Amit's voice.
Is
we
no
can't-
more?
We can't afford Amit.
Oh no. Okay. Okay.
Stocks
Okay.
are low.
Cool.
Yeah.
He spent all his money in this.
No, there is a voiceover. I don't know if it's yours. Listen.
No.
Check it out.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante. an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
That was an amazing HDFC promo, man.
That promo is amongst the highest rated promos on YouTube.
Amazing, dude. It
Yeah.
was, absolutely.
In Prague.
In Prague.
Yeah.
Okay. In Prague, it's the
Western
highest.
area.
And in
Yeah.
India, it's the second lowest.
No, India nothing. India we are still to make a dent. But
So to make a dent.
that's okay. Bro, we're like a test match. It's
Nice.
the long haul. You know,
Nice.
you win and you lose, you win, you lose. You wait for the battle doesn't define the war. There are many battles in between. I hope my Sanskrit is clear to you.
Right. Before we move on, Cyrus, I didn't ask you what's happening in your life, man. How's stuff at home? How's the
Do you,
sun?
do you have a handkerchief?
Okay. Yeah, I do actually. You want?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's just
No,
that at
Go
my
ahead.
age, there's a lot of leakage.
Oh, okay. So you got blocked with the handkerchief.
Huh? What did he think? I don't cry. I'm not a crier. I don't cry.
You're-
At funerals, I
You might
use
be the-
Glycerine and all that.
Oh, okay.
Especially
Nice.
when I don't know the person.
Nice.
Because that's even more embarrassing. You know,
Yeah, of
he was
course.
a great man. Yeah. Sometimes it's just a test. He
Yeah.
was a great man. Ah. It turns out it was a woman. You know, it's like that. Be very careful.
Yeah.
Things are good. I live with my mom.
Of course, yeah.
Trying to get my daughter into a univ. The wife is still
In
there.
India? Daughters in
No,
India?
we're trying to go to Spain. The little problem with the visa. I mean, she's got in and everything, but the visa takes a long time.
Yeah, of course,
So if
yeah.
you know anyone, can you help us?
I know you, man. you're the
You
most
said your
famous person
dad
I
is
know.
very right-wing things, no?
Oh, he's a supporter. I don't know if they're aware.
connect- is he-
that he's a supporter.
So he's not really connected.
I mean-
He's connected in the Powai building.
Yeah,
chats.
yeah, correct.
But
Yes.
that's not going to help.
Yeah, yeah.
Only a little bit more than that. Yeah. So should we go to the next?
Yes, absolutely.
Vishnu Bhai?
Meta is poaching top AI engineers in
Finally.
that school. Like it's a Netflix series. If you ran a company, what would you do to keep your employees loyal? Okay, that's a good one.
I don't think this should be asked in this company. I don't feel comfortable. Maybe we should take it to another platform, ladies and gentlemen.
But it's difficult, man. Meta is just gonna throw money firstly at these employees,
Yeah.
and
It's
like
market
exorbitant
demands.
rates.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just how do you
Like
keep
how
someone?
you got poached. We try to retain you.
I
but
got poached
you
by
got
the
poached.
freelance life.
Yes, the freelance industry called you, offered you money, and
Yeah,
off you
yeah.
went.
Correct.
And we
Yeah,
lost
that's
you
it.
forever.
Yeah, the internet. That's what it is.
But I have a theory. Honestly, business is business. People
That's
should
true.
not get into all this whole thing.
That's true.
Wherever you're making more money and there's a future, you have to go
Correct.
there. You shouldn't get into, oh, but he's such a nice guy. F
right.
it. Tomorrow night, your wife's going to be kissing somebody else from the company. It's all over the newspapers and the
100%.
world.
Yeah.
And, and you blame Steve Martin, not Steve Martin, his brother Chris. I mean, come on, for God's sake. It's ridiculous.
Yes.
Life just moves on.
Absolutely, dude. Also,
Yeah.
like realistically talking, I think
So what, before that, it's not realistic?
no, it is all you. were-
Chacha ek chutia hai?
नहीं मतलब सही था.
It's just
What,
come
what,
here, I just
what you
blame-
said also made
Look at
sense.
the lack of respect, man.
What you said also made sense.
How
like-
mean?
No, like
This is how you treat your dad?
yeah.
It's condescending, but a happy, sweet way, so you don't
Yeah,
know
yeah.
you're condescending?
correct.
No more coffee.
Yes,
Uh.
but realistically,
Yeah. If you ran a company.
see, if you are an AI engineer, what are you doing at Netflix anyway? Meta makes like the more sense.
But even if
place
there's
to
no
be.
work for you, somebody pays you more, you go, right?
That's
What's
true,
the big
100%,
deal?
that's
I mean, that's what
100%,
happened
yeah.
with you.
That's true, 100%.
Yeah.
yeah. But if you were to then keep your employees
Why would you
loyal-
keep the employees loyal? I think don't keep the employees loyal. You pay more money. The market will dictate everything else. If
That's-
somebody is
that's
paying more
true.
money, you pay more money. That's
But what
it.
if it's like a marginal difference, but someone thinks, oh, but work environment there is better.
There are intangibles which make sense also, like parking.
Yeah, sure.
How far are you from your wife?
Correct.
Both ways. it
Can you bring your
works.
dog to work kind of
Can you
shit?
bring your dog to work?
Yeah.
Especially if
Yes.
it's a kennel.
Can you date your HR head?
In public?
Yes, correct.
Can you give her a kiss
yeah,
just
yes,
for publicity,
yes.
for the corporation, nothing personal? Yeah.
Yeah, all these things matter. Yeah.
What do you think? The males and females would have reacted differently, right? So when he goes back to his, gym or whatever, the boys,
Like, bro, what are you
rockin'.
saying? Dude, all this time,
Yeah.
what an actor, bro.
Rascal.
What an actor.
Boomerang! But the poor girl goes back,
Yeah.
it's like a whole different story.
Yeah,
like, you
Dude, also, like, she's not.
slut.
Her side of the story is not getting that much publicity, by the way, because
the
she's
male-
also married.
yeah.
And just this past
But
May
he's
or
a
something.
CEO, so he's slightly above. So that's also a thing.
Correct, but
He's a company
apparently
head.
her husband is like some
Big shot.
Yeah, big shot only.
Yeah.
Okay, and they just bought a house like worth like
Yeah.
$2 million.
Correct.
Like 2 months.
And they're double earners, so we don't know what the deal is.
yeah,
This
correct.
is a mixed
Exactly.
money thing. Yeah.
And she's head of HR at like a
Yeah,
big fucking
yeah.
AI company. She's earning the big bucks, dude.
Yeah.
100%.
I know. I've cheated on my wife like twice this year.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah, yeah,
Good for you,
yeah,
man.
yeah. Of course, one would not be really cheating.
Yeah, okay.
Because
Because
it was a
Kunal.
cadaver. It was like...
Okay.
Don't laugh, man. But you reach 53, your options become less, man. Sometimes, yeah, opportunity aa gaya to le lo na. I'm just joking. It's all a joke, yeah, bro. You have to say this in
Yeah,
today's
it's all
world.
good. Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I'm not really joking. You know me.
Yeah, of course. Wink. I'm
just-
joking.
I make out with my audience. They're all dead. Okay, next.
Rare Gandhi painting goes for $200,000. That's amazing. What's the right price for a Cyrus masterpiece? Have you seen the painting?
First, it's Gandhi ji.
Gandhi ji.
Thank you.
I just reading. Who is this?
Vishnu.
Say
Vishnu
name.
comes from that part of India where they're not that much reverence for.
It's
Yeah.
not Gandhi ji there. It's Nathuram ji there.
Okay. Be very careful. Is that your dad speaking or you?
That could well be my dad.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
But the question here is not really about that painting. The painting is apparently fantastic, blah, blah, blah. No, hence, it's a decent price. I would have expected more, Father of the Nation and all that. But, whatever, 200,000 is not bad. Right price was Cyrus. We've got Kunal Masterpiece. You
Yeah.
can use that as a judging thingy. Now, how much you pay for the Kunal Masterpiece?
Kunal masterpiece, an easy $201,000. $200,000 and
Yeah,
$1.
yeah.
Like 200,000.
I'd pay
and
the
one.
same. But the funny part is I want to keep it right where the toilet seat comes up.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So you see the face.
Yeah,
Your back is to
yeah.
your back is to Kunal, and he's
well,
at your back. When
Come
you're-
on.
yeah,
I mean, you're the Bumrah fan. You should understand where I'm coming from.
okay.
So how much for
by
me?
the way, you know why
so
this?
Kunal, you're paying that. For me, how much? Be honest.
Oh, for you,
And
honest,
what would we like? Because the Gandhi picture is obviously very,
Yeah.
regal, not
Correct.
regal,
Correct.
Gandhi.
100%.
What about me? My
think-
picture will be like,
yeah. So $200,000.
yeah,
I'll pay 200 rupees.
nice.
A full 200. So 201
because
for that good luck.
you like the center, believe one day it'll be equal.
Yes,
Right?
of
It'll be
course,
the
man.
same.
100%, dude.
You'll be dealing in
Exactly.
rupees. It'll be like, yeah,
Dude.
buy rupees, save rupees. Yeah.
Talking about how much currencies are worth, I literally, again, I mentioned it again. I've just come back from Thailand. I don't know how shit works there because there the exchange rate favors them. Like one of their bahts is equal to 2.6 or something of our rupees.
Huh.
But things are cheaper there. How does this shit work?
It's very simple.
How?
You took 10,000 rupees and you changed it to bath.
Yeah.
And that 10,000 rupees, you got your massage.
Yeah.
You got housekeeping.
Got some legal
You
stuff
got
there.
the room service. You
Yeah,
got the legal stuff, which
Yeah,
is
yeah.
sometimes legal. Then they change the law again.
Yeah. No, it's gonna be legal.
You got Thai food.
Great Thai food.
Then you got rid of the wife.
Yeah, and then went and got another massage.
Bro, Thailand, not for everyone.
Yes,
That's what the slogan says.
Oh, dude, it's full of Indian uncles
Oh.
around Cyrus's age, by the way.
You don't have to tell me, bro. It's a dream.
who
Yeah.
see all these.
Every time people say, I got a meeting in Thailand.
Yeah,
right,
of course they do, of course they do.
In fact, that gentleman who, what's the name of your two stars from the Kiss Cam?
Andy Byron
So
and
Andy
Kristen
is now in
Kapoor.
Thailand. he's decided it's much better place to be. He's very happy there. Yeah,
Oh, yeah. But yeah, dude, we should just as a country just stop going to Goa, dude. Thailand is a better place. The only thing more expensive is the tickets.
Yeah.
Then once
But
you're
not
there,
really.
everything's cheaper.
It's almost like it's like 20% more. It's
dude,
not like that
right
much.
now, the price for a ticket is 8K one way, which is totally fair.
Why do you
bro.
want to come back? 8K
That's
one
true.
way
If
is
you
fine.
can stay,
Yeah.
visa on arrival,
Yeah.
what more do you want? They make.
And you just need a list of bahanas for your wife. Oh, floods. Can't reach the airport. You just have 5 and you loop it,
Or I'm saying just go with the wife. You
With
don't have
wife?
to. Yeah, go with wife. It's a beautiful
So
place.
what do you say? You leave her in Bangkok and then you
There's
go
nothing to leave. You can go get non-happy ending massages also.
You have
know,
happy
as-
ending massages with your wife.
No, but you can have the non-happy ending ones and have a good
You
time.
haven't learned from that Kiss Cam.
No, I haven't.
So you take your wife for the massage.
Yeah.
You ask for the ladies.
Correct. You
And
give
what is
her
your
the
wife-
1 hour massage and you take the 2 hour massage.
You 1 hour massage.
That's the thing.
No, I know what you do. There's that self massage thingy. So you make her do that.
Oh, yes.
Go to that room.
Give her a-
Lock the door. Massage
Yeah,
yourself. Okay, ladies. I'm from India.
She's
you
just sitting
know,
there
so-
doing this to herself.
Did you barter?
Yeah, a lot. And
Yeah.
dude.
We get a
No.
bad name apparently in the southeast area completely,
Yeah.
from China downwards, for bartering. The
Yeah, that
Indians
makes sense.
never accept the price.
That makes sense. But I think when they see Indians, that's why they overcoat anyway.
Because they know
expecting
the fight is gonna
I think
happen.
that's for sure. Because they agree
Yeah.
at the end of the day. Why would you not try to
So
save
we
money?
never know what the real price is. Everybody's lying, na?
That's
You're
100%.
lying.
100%.
They're lying.
100%.
Nobody knows the prices.
100%.
Yeah. How much you pay for the massage?
200 baht one time, 250 baht one time, 350 baht one time, like that kind of shit. Yeah.
Wow. So what's the difference between 200 and 350? What did you get?
Dude, just different places. They're all the same.
Of your body? Can you tell me for 350 which places?
yeah. So for 350, it was just the back. For 200, they go to the other regions also, which you
For
really
less.
wanted to visit.
For less,
For less, they go to other. For me, because they wanted to do it
My
anyway.
Punjabi accounting
They
friend.
wanted to do it anyway. Then I
that's-
for the
quit
200,
while you're ahead now.
the 200 one, I got it done at
You
a,
can't have
at
an
a
affair.
cheap
You're an
place.
idiot. You really can't. That's the CEO who screwed up. You're a complete moron. That's not going to happen. Let's go to the
No, that
next.
happened. No, that happened.
350 for the back, 200 for the other regions.
Again, I'm joking. I did not get any of that. I just got foot
course you-
massages, head massages,
Bro, I have
and
pictures.
back massages. That's it. Oh, you got pictures?
Yeah.
Oh,
and,
shit, they said it.
and now your Bumrah comments are
Oh,
going to
damn.
stay forever. So we know
Yes,
there's
that's
something
true.
going on.
That's true, yeah.
Oh.
I got men to do it.
Lady
yes.
boys.
Yes. That's a lot of them also, yes. Indian uncles, Cyrus's age,
Yeah.
love lady boys
So do
in
me a
Thailand,
favor.
by the
Do me a
way.
favor. Take him with you next time.
Okay, cool.
Please.
Yes.
Sorry, return him.
Yes,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay, next.
Get him back. Tesla's here and self-driving is the big buzz. What very desi driving habit must it master first? Overtaking from the left, stopping at green, or honking at nothing?
It goes into a one-way, na?
Yeah,
It has no idea that cars don't operate like that.
Correct.
Everybody comes up the one way.
correct.
So the Tesla will go berserk. It will try to go there because expecting nothing to be in
Correct,
front of it.
correct,
And
yeah.
there'll be a bike, a rickshaw,
Yeah.
a man on a phone,
Yeah.
and then a full-size Mercedes of Kunal Vijayekar.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I don't know. How do I know the one way? I don't live in that.
Dude, also, can you imagine Tesla trying to self-drive in rains in Bombay?
Bro.
Dude, floods, it'll just stop. It won't move.
Listen,
There's no moving.
we have an Elon Musk camera. This is it. You have to just tell him because he watches on his personal camera. This one. Elon G, don't fuck around about this, okay? India is not, we are not ready
Yeah.
for this kind of nonsense.
Yeah.
There are too many variables. They are planning on a western road where everybody follows some rule and it follows a certain, combinations are the same. There's
What
no
are they
change,
thinking?
right?
What are they thinking, dude?
What are they thinking?
Yeah, really.
Here we are. There
Insane.
could be a cow crossing.
Correct.
You're not planned for that. I mean,
Yeah, yeah, dude.
there's
And nobody's allowed to even tell the cow to move, please.
there could be Falguni madam on the phone going, "Hey, ek minute, I won. And you can't do it. What are you
Correct, what are you
talking
gonna do?
Elon,
Yeah.
just don't come
Stop.
here. He's already come. September, the sales are starting. Friend of mine is booked.
What?
And it's delivery
Dude,
by
isn't it
September.
like 10 times or something more expensive than if
Yeah,
you
so
were to
we
buy it
have-
in US?
because of the tariffs
Yeah.
that we have and
So
the
that makes sense, no? Then?
100% duty that we pay, it's
Crazy,
almost 2.5 times what you'll buy in America.
Yeah, insane,
But
dude.
then if you drive from America till here, the fuel cost will be the same thing. No? So do the maths. They're doing us a service. Are you buying a Tesla?
No, not anytime soon.
Hmm?
Again, my accountant tells me that the
But once the
maths
case
doesn't
is,
add
the
up.
case is resolved
Yeah.
with the Zakir's Productions,
then I can buy 5.
you buy exactly.
Yeah, I'll
Get
even pay for
get
that
an
extra.
orange one for dad.
Nice.
So sorry, I've just been told by a little bird.
Yeah,
That's what we call all the men in the office.
there are only men. in
They're
this
only
world,
men.
yeah.
I just hope you just keep the imagination open that one day a not so pretty girl, because we gotta have reality here,
Yeah.
will walk into our
Yeah,
lives
yeah.
for 5 minutes and say Zomato and then go. But so we have a horoscope section which looks back at your last week. Okay.
Oh.
So I'm a Leo and you're a
I'm a Gemini.
Gemini. Oh God, like Aisha. So last week, and you have to tell us if it's true because the prediction is already there.
Okay.
So this is we are in the middle of the week, or in the beginning of the week of this week, whatever the date is, I can't remember. July 22nd.
yeah.
Right? So we're looking at the 14th to 21st week. So as a Leo, you tell me.
Let's
we
see.
should-
Let's see what goes. Yeah. So are we going?
Yeah, so
let's, okay.
You have to
This
read.
is Cyrus's horoscope from the last week. You're radiating confidence and charm. Perfect for taking bold steps in career or love.
Love?
Yeah, and career also.
I mean, love is Peter, Mary and me going for a walk.
Okay.
Then creative energy.
Creative
flows.
energy flows and people are noticing. Wow, people are noticing.
People just say Baju.
that's noticing.
Yeah. That's love.
Expect sparks in romance. Wow, nice.
What
Recognition at
romance?
work.
I'm married. This is because of that kiss cam. All us married men now think second innings.
romance अब
भाई,
कुछ भी हो
जो कोई
सकता है
second
भाई.
innings नहीं आने वाले हैं. You know what I mean? This one kiss cam has destroyed romance. Literally, everybody thinking, he can do it, I can do it. What's there? What do you need? All these factors.
That's
you need
true.
Coldplay. You need LA.
Yeah, that's true.
You need the friend on the side who's
Yeah.
more shocked. The friend who knows what they're doing
Absolutely,
now is more
dude.
shocked.
Absolutely.
I mean,
Dude,
at this point.
Also, apparently, she used that to climb the corporate ladder herself. That friend who was like, doing that thing.
Yeah, but these are not crimes, bro. This is how human nature
Correct,
is. right?
100%,
How
but-
did you become head of MTV? IBM.
I
One of
kicked
the
you
two.
out. Yeah, basically.
You made some good decisions.
Expect sparks in romance, recognition at work. Recognition at work.
So no romance. There's no recognition at work. I mean, in the watchman keeps telling me, "Gaadi parking yahan pe nahi milega" and all that. I mean, there's just no basic
no respect. And a strong urge to treat yourself. To
Well,
treat
if you
yourself.
mean masturbation,
Yeah,
yes.
that is
I'm
treating yourself,
guilty.
yeah. Correct.
I mean,
Strong urge.
no Thailand,
Strong
live
urge.
alone,
Just don't let pride or impulse spending get in the way. Impulse spending.
yeah.
Okay, impulse spending get in the way.
Yeah. So Leo is
impulse
known to be very spendy, but that's one trait I don't have. I'm not
really?
a spendy Leo. I'm the opposite.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stay grounded, stay
glowing. Grounded, I don't have a choice because there's no respect, so there's no question of.
But does this match your last week?
Not really. It's
Did
very,
you have
it's
creative
very
energy
generic. Some of it is real,
It's always- always.
Because in your mind, you think you're a creative genius.
Correct.
We had some people coming giving inputs all the time. I won't take names because they won't allow us to put it on air.
But I think the just the first sentence works
Yeah.
because you do always radiate confidence and charm.
Yeah,
So
because when it comes to being a fraud, I perfected it, bro.
Yeah, it's like
Okay,
so-
bro. So I've given it a 5 on 10. Because it's a very generic to Leo, confident, radiant.
Oh,
this,
okay.
that.
Okay, you gotta give it a
If-
5 on
if-
10.
If you read a lot of that, a lot of it is repetitive.
Correct,
right?
100%, yeah, yeah.
Gemini, I know very well. Father was Gemini, wife is Gemini.
Wow,
Two
okay.
of my closest friends were Gemini, although we're not close anymore.
Okay.
Horrible sign.
Hey, don't talk about me as like
Yeah,
you're not close anymore.
But your other personality will be okay with it.
Okay.
Horrible sign. Yeah.
Yes.
Like my dad, his mood switch would be in 5 seconds.
Yeah.
But she's still your father, like your dad, whatever, right? We want to
Yeah.
see your dad, so you give him
Correct.
that space.
Yeah.
Your wife, you're stuck in a friggin', there's no way to go.
Yeah, that's true. Fair.
And there's 7 personalities in my wife, and 5 are male. Now, let's find out.
Let's see what mine says.
Silvery.
From last week.
Yeah. I'll be honest, huh?
Your social and mental energy is peaking.
Go slow. Let's take it one at a time so we remember
Yeah,
what the
yeah.
line is.
My social and mental
In the
energy.
last week, did you feel your social life with energy means?
So basically, I did come back from Thailand. At
my
Naughty
social
was
life is ladyboy.
No. So I went with friends, right? We went with
It's Joker, man.
my wife and I went with friends.
Okay.
Okay, and
Your friends are ladyboys.
if you want to say that,
Hey, Ritvik.
Hey.
Yo.
that's not the term we like to use.
Yeah.
But
Place wall.
but yeah. So I think we did end up
Okay,
socializing a lot.
So social, we come to
In
mental.
that
Social
regard.
for sure because you went to Thailand.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have people.
social,
there was a
yeah.
lot of I
Correct.
mean, you're in a happy space.
Yeah.
Mental energy. Did you?
I mean-
were you challenged intellectually
I
or
mean-
mentally? Were you?
Yeah, traveling is a challenge.
No, I mean also the choice of happy ending, non-happy ending. all
Yeah,
that,
that's-
I mean, you've
so-
got
so
to
mu-
make
so much
options.
dilemma, dude. Yeah, correct.
Which way to
But
go?
actually, like I was very happy.
But
I had a very good
is
time. So
peak-
mentally, I was very happy.
No, but energy
Peaking.
speaking is like you had like a great week in terms of thoughts.
Yeah, 100%, dude. Like
Okay. And your
I,
thoughts involved your own wife or? after
the
Kiss
lady
Cam.
boys. It involved those Thai
I
lady
thought
boys.
you'd go to LA.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Bro, can you imagine now if somebody says to the wife or the spouse says to the other spouse, bro, Chris Martin's in town.
Sorry, I can't go this time.
Can you imagine? Sorry.
It's a great week for brainstorming, pitching, or deep conversation.
past
start
tense.
like.
Last week was where you were in Thailand.
Yeah.
It was a great week for brainstorming, pitching, or deep conversations. So let's say pitching doesn't really happen because you're not around any
Yeah,
work people.
exactly, yeah, correct.
But for brainstorming, you have some thoughts where you thought you could,
I mean, I was actively trying
How
not
full
to
of
think of
yourself
work
are you,
at
man?
all.
It's
Yeah.
ridiculous. And deep conversations, like that doesn't have to be work. That could
I
be
mean,
just.
yeah, we were high in Thailand, so you end up having some deep conversations,
That's how you keep a marriage going, not by going to Coldplay.
Yeah. In love, your wit attracts.
Okay,
Wow.
this is now definitely you can
100%
answer.
true.
Yeah.
Uh,
She likes you because you're a
that's
funny
the
guy,
only
right?
reason.
Yeah.
Why else would
No,
she like
I
me?
mean I've also showered with you, so I accept that.
Oh, okay, thank you.
humor is your strong point, beta.
Thank-
But yeah,
But in love, your wit attracts, but depth keeps them hooked.
your depth, you're profound. There's more to you than one layer.
I think I'm one of the most shallowest people ever.
I would agree
Yeah,
absolutely,
yeah,
and
I'm
I'm
not-
shallow myself,
not deep
so
at
I can
all.
recognize. It's just like a line
Correct.
recognizes a
Yeah,
line,
yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Or in this case, you say Haina recognizes the Haina.
You know how people hate small talk?
Yeah.
I think I'm only good at small
Oh,
talk.
it's lovely.
I
The
am
world only has
terrible
small
at
talk.
like other.
There would be no Ukraine, Russia,
Yeah.
Gaza issues. All this will go out because
Yeah.
imagine there would be
Correct.
nobody shooting each other. I'll be like,
Exactly.
boss, what's the time?
Yeah.
Oh, nice
Oh,
watch.
weather अच्छा है,
Yeah,
weather
yeah.
आज मौसम अच्छा है.
Okay, we are great humanitarians.
Yeah,
yeah.
correct,
Ah,
correct.
fuck.
Stay focused, avoid mental burnout, sorry.
Yeah.
And double check that online cart before you buy. Oh,
Are you a big buyer?
I'm a big buyer, bro. I have a
But
big
that
problem.
could be last week, especially because you were anyway abroad, so you spend more.
No, anyway, like I have a big online buying problem, dude. It's like
Oh.
a huge thing.
But what do you buy?
Dude, I buy shoes, I buy random electronics.
Okay.
I just bought a new camera, which now has put
Do you
set me
buy
back.
people?
If I could.
sounds
and
wrong.
then they can give me massages. That would be nice.
That's what you want to do with the people?
Yes, correct.
Bro, I'd like to
To get
stand on
massages.
them.
Oh, really?
Just keep them around to stand on.
I'll pay
You're a humanitarian. So give a grade. What do you think it would be like?
I think
5 only, no?
Six. I would say 6.
Yeah, but a lot of it again is generic, bro, and it's also generic because social and Gemini is always together. Most
Yeah.
social sign, very
Yeah, that's
gregarious,
true.
very
Yeah.
good with people. All
But
that.
that's also like the
mental energy,
switching
all,
side
very
also, no?
intelligent sign. So
Yeah,
mental
sure.
energy and all always comes into it.
Sure.
So I don't like this astrology. I feel it's very generic. You guys have to find somebody else. So you'll be more specific. You could enter the mind of Silvery, that dark abyss of pain. You know what he really goes through in his.
Yeah,
he
man.
pretends to be this shallow guy, but it's the depth of. He takes the world's angst. When nuclear proliferation is happening in one part of the world, he cries. You don't notice that because you're not discussing cricket, you know. And he talks about Bumrah and all that, but he cares. This is.
But
I
dude, also,
see that.
Yeah, but this was very generic.
Very
Because
generic.
also what happens usually when I read the horoscopes for Geminis, no,
Yeah.
there's a duality. They all talk about
Yeah,
this will happen, this will happen.
they
This
didn't give the
didn't have
duality.
that.
Very good point.
Didn't have that.
The duality didn't come out.
Yeah,
You're
not at all.
much less
Not at
shallow
all.
than you
Yeah,
expected.
so
us to
I
believe.
don't trust this horoscope at all either.
So
And that's fine. That's fine. You can
we're
have bad
changing
horoscopes.
this part to the Suckoscope.
Suckos-
Because it's really bad.
It's horrifying scope.
Oh,
It's-
bad,
it's-
bad,
it's
bad.
so bad.
Yeah. Anyway, Silvery, are you still doing comedy, but?
I am doing comedy,
Don't judge
yeah.
by this show, but are you?
I am doing comedy. Less so, but I do a couple of spots
So
here and there.
where do people who are your diehard fans go to see you?
Firstly, just follow me. But you can check me out at J Spot Comedy Club. You can check out
When?
check me out in the
When have
next
you-
week or
when
so.
have you- oh, now?
Yeah, like we keep doing spots here and there.
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Can you give
But
a...
the main thing,
Yeah.
if you want to come watch me live, please come for that filmy game show. That's one of the best things that I'm doing live right
And
now.
you shoot that now in
In front of a live audience.
In a live audience.
Yeah, that's shot in Powai at
Yeah.
Millennium Pod.
Yeah. So when is the
check
next
for comedy.
recording if somebody wants to come?
Next week you can find it on Book
Next
My
to
Show.
next week. This is
Yeah.
such a specific answer. Fair enough. I mean...
It's fine, dude. You'll find it.
No, it's like the
Yeah.
IPL final. I mean, it's all there. It's
Just see that filmy game show on Book My Show. You'll find it. You
Yeah.
can just search for me on Instagram. You'll find it there also.
How many people can fit in the place?
About 50 people can fit. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's not very, there's not too many, so they
That's not
better
too many.
rush.
Yeah, please rush.
Okay. No,
They'll
luckily,
come.
luckily
I'll
we
get
don't have
people.
50 people watching.
Oh, no.
So we're okay
Yes.
for now. But they'll tell other people and
Yes.
hopefully you'll get maybe 30
Correct.
at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Alright, why can't I come on this show?
Dude, please come
You
on the
never
show.
called me.
I always call you. I just feel like Powai will be very far to make you travel all the fucking
I
way.
have Chembur Freeway and all. I should be able to go at the right time.
Dude,
What time do you do it?
I do it at 8 in the evening.
Okay, let's not even get into it.
It has to be in front of a live audience. Audience will come on the evening.
People are live in the morning also.
So morning, who's gonna? The people are gonna leave their work and come
Why can't you be
watch
the guy who
us.
changes everything and says 9 o'clock? This is my
9
show.
o'clock.
What the hell, yeah?
That used to be you, Cyrus, and now this is 12:30 we recorded at. So let's.
That's because the guest came late, the one that was before us.
Yeah, before us, not me. Don't say yeah.
All
Let's be
right.
clear on
The
that.
meaningful
Cheers.
conversation is over. Thank you so much. This is Silvery from Just Another... No.
That filming game.
That filmy game show, Legal Issues. And you can
all
see him 2 weeks from now at
at J Sport Comedy Club.
J Spot.
Yeah.
What is the deal with J Spot? We're done.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो.
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार